Starting Strava now. I'm starting to run now. It's at least 5:15 or 5:30. I've done my warm-up na. 1.66 kilometers. Kuya, mag-isa lang ako. Makapag pinabidyo ko sarili ko habang tumatakbo sa mga tao ba, hindi ko na makita yung cellphone ko. Hi, 335 kilometers na. Stop ko muna. May something doon. May lamay. So, unfortunately, baka hindi ako pwede maging energetic. Ano na ako? Kasing tanda na ako ni Ina Raymond. Joke lang. Tigil ko muna yung Strava dito. Tapos, gagawa ako ng kababalagan. Sorry, I'm done with calisthenics, so I'm restarting 5.26 kilometers. Mabundok pa rin dito. Yeah, I'm at home na. And I mean, in the village. Pero malayo pa yung lugar namin. Para kaming taga Ayala, Alabang. Lang may kotse, gano'n. Pero may may transport co-op naman dito. Kaya, tigil na natin ito at 5.73 kilometers. Medyo, kasi as you all know, I'm actually suffering from some form of dependency. And mine is unfortunately ADHD and nicotine. So, hindi po drugs. Anyway, I'll end it here. Good morning!